A remarkable name, right? Have you ever known about it? Then, at that point, the present moment is the second to notify yourself about it. It might appear to be a tale. Yet that is the means by which this exceptional advanced monies process started at first. According to the information, Dogecoin bears this bizarre however particularly appealing name, which turned into a mascot of a Japanese variety of canine called Shiba Inu and consequently Doge. From that point onward, this quickly developing cryptographic money turned into a popular name, Dogecoin. Dogecoin people group, all the rage. The standard of any driving coin is the fame and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high as per Dogecoin cost expectation. This advanced money's dynamic and firm worth wins around an atmosphere of the whole fan local area that places their confidence in it. It is nothing unexpected that the entire fanbase or local area predicts its cost will before long skyrocket. This is the primary foundation of this resource, as the genuine Dogecoin esteem lies in the certainty the purchasers have in the local area support it gets. Thus, its Dogecoin reception rate has expanded. An administration or bank is a brought-together establishment that can genuinely print its own cash. Conversely, coins like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and so on adopt a decentralized strategy to delivering new tokens, and their local area makes Doge. As conveyed herein before, helper verification of work shapes the premise behind the working of Doge, empowering diggers to handle Dogecoin exchanges by utilizing their registering ability to settle muddled conditions. When the condition is settled, another block is added to the Dogecoin organization, and the digger is compensated with Doge. This prize framework fills in as a two-dimensional system. 1. It urges diggers to permit figuring ability to finish exchanges on the Dogecoin blockchain. And 2. It directs the formation of new Doge, which is then disseminated by excavators. The tipping administration permits the client to send speedy gifts to different clients on Twitter and Reddit. Dogecoin value gauge, well-qualified's viewpoint. Doge gauge, the cost will be around 16 cents in 1 year, while in the following 5 years, the cost will reach 86 cents. Dogecoin will be a productive interest over the long haul. As indicated by the Dogecoin cost forecast, the coin will reach 37 cents by 2025 and $2.42 by 2030. Cost expectation. The base cost of the coin will be around 8 cents toward the finish of 2023, and the greatest cost may be 12 cents. Dogecoin specialized examination. At the point when markets have neither rhyme nor reason, when basics never again appear to issue, it turns out to be clear the guidelines are being changed or even tossed through the window. We could be in the imaginative obliteration stage that will give way to another flood of advancement. Furthermore, in that wave, new sorts of resources could have a good spot in portfolios. In the meantime, the untethered idea of current value rationale is upsetting, and an update that imaginative obliteration can be horrendous to those trapped in the change. Vulnerability isn't really great for trust, and an absence of trust isn't really great for progress. No big surprise. Not at all like all cryptographic forms of money, Dogecoin esteem also was powerless to the high and lows of market esteem, i.e., cost variances. According to the specialized examination of Dogecoin, it also could come in the stuff of unpredictability, so you want to look out for your speculation. You want to peruse the digital currency cost conjecture and be ready. In spite of the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the digital currency market, there is a fair Dogecoin future. The transient assessment for the prompt help level is 5 cents. The significant help level is 3 cents, though the qualities for the quick and essential opposition levels are 12 cents and 16 cents, separately. Be that as it may, over the course of the past year, computerized monetary forms have seen a gigantic unpredictability stage, and Dogecoin is no exemption. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a huge change, including Dogecoin's market cap as well. Nonetheless, we should know the vacillations in Dogecoin cost may be impacted in light of the present moment and the drawn-out estimate of cost. Dogecoin value history. According to last year's Dogecoin cost expectation, Doge is a beneficial venture as long as possible. According to the past Dogecoin forecasts, the coin was going to break 30 cents last year. Notwithstanding, the cash had reflected huge energy and crossed 75 cents. From that point onward, the cost of Doge has rectified immensely and tumbled to the 15 cents mark in July. Afterward, it exchanged above 10 cents yet fell underneath in the crypto crash of May 2022. Throughout recent hours, Doge USD has denoted a minor ascent. Its all-out market cap is exchanging around $8,511,361,950 and is presently the 10th greatest advanced cash on the planet. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin is at around 6 cents, and it is anticipated that the coin will in the middle between impermanent dives alongside its market capitalization. What's more, according to the current situation of Dogecoin, the cost for Doge could contact the 9 cents mark before the current year's over. taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise venture. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2022. Elon Musk has kept assisting with helping the cost of Doge. Dogecoin's cost has seen a slight development throughout the course of recent days. Elon Musk's consistent help with tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for merchandise and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. In May 2021, Dogecoin's cost hit another untouched high of 73 cents because of non-stop VIP support and furthermore recorded on eToro, proceeding with huge development as far as cost in the forthcoming months is anticipated. Elon Musk's tweet makes sense of that one can purchase Tesla product with Dogecoin. Likewise, as per the Tesla official site, one can utilize Dogecoin to buy the Cyberwhistle, Giga Texas Belt Clasp, and Cyberquad for youngsters. As per the Dogecoin news, AMC has begun tolerating installments in image coins like Dogecoin from Walk 19, 2022, and Imprint Cuban, the proprietor of Dallas Freethinker, acknowledges Dogecoins for tickets and product. The image coin got forward momentum via web-based entertainment after Elon Musk's supporting signals. Elon Musk's tweet expressing the acknowledgement of the token as a functioning installment mode for merchandise carried forward movement to Dogecoin's cost, impacting market Dogecoin cost expectations decidedly. Additionally, when asked what compels him pick Doge over different coins, he answered over Twitter that Doge has canines and images, while the others don't. Also, the Ukrainian government has now chosen to acknowledge Dogecoin gifts in the midst of the Russian attack. Dogecoin Expectation 2023. According to the market feeling and specialists' perspectives, the cost of Dogecoin could enlist a steady ascent. Also, by mid-2023, the Doge would have the option to cross the 10 cents mark. The anticipated high for 2023 may be more than 20 cents. On the disadvantage, the low may be around 6 cents. Dogecoin Forecasts 2024. According to the Doge cost expectation for 2024, the cost could cross 40 cents toward the finish of 2024. According to our conjecture, the anticipated greatest cost for 2024 may be around 45 cents. On the drawback, the low may be around 8 cents. What's in store results anticipated don't be guaranteed to mirror the long-haul procuring potential. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin Cost Expectation 2025, the coin could possibly contact the 60 cents cost mark on the potential gain, while on the drawback, it could fall up to 20 cents. According to our Doge Cost Expectation, the money cost could exchange around 40 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026. A custom calculation in view of profound advancing likewise gives strong experiences for your speculation that assist us with choosing if Doge could be a decent portfolio expansion for what's to come. These expectations consider a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative monetary standards. The future cost increment of Doge USD is anticipated to be around 35 cents around 2026, as per our drawn-out Dogecoin cost forecast. The greatest